how to disable download option in YouTube video. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up these methods. So open up the YouTube Studio application. You need to have this application downloaded. So just go ahead and open it up. Once you open it up, you need to log in with the same account that you have created the video in which you want to disable the download option for the video. And you should be finding this dashboard. So all you gotta do is simply locate up the video first, in which you would like to turn off the download option. So once you find this analytics, different things about your video, you can tap on the pen icon at the top right, and it will take you to an option where you can edit out your videos, like make different edits like description, visibility, etc. So at the very last option, you should be finding a more options. Go ahead and tap on it. And when you tap on it here, you will be taken to this section. So all you gotta do is, at the very last option, right under standard YouTube license, you should be finding allow embedding option. So go ahead and turn off that option. And once you do, save up the changes. And when you do that, you may just save up the changes by tapping on the top right. And when you do that, other people won't be able to download your YouTube videos. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.